Is freeskins.com really a great way to earn some extra cash or free skins online simply just by completing simple tasks, or is it a waste of time? My name's Michael from paidfromservice.com, and I have joined to test this site myself and compare it to the hundreds of other sites I've tested. And in this free skins review, I will give you an inside look and show you exactly how it works and what you can expect, so you can see if this is the right option for you or not. If this is your first time here, make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit the notification bell so you won't miss out next time I release a video with tips and tricks about how to get the most out of get paid to sites, paid service sites, and other free ways to earn some extra cash on the site online. So I have now logged into freeskins.com, and let's start by going over the whole joining process and who can even join. And you can join from more or less all countries. There are a couple of countries where you can maybe not join from, but from more or less all countries, you can simply sign up here and start earning. How many opportunities you get will of course vary from country to country. But I will now go over the overall options you have here, and then you can see if you think this is the right option for you or not. And if you decide to join, I will also show you how you can get 100 free coins right away as a joining bonus. And it is very easy to sign up. You just use a Steam account or a Google account, and then you sign in, so there is no extra creation of an extra password or anything like that. So it's quite easy to get started, and I am now inside here, and I will then start showing you around. So before we move on and I show you exactly how to use Freeskins, let me first show you payment proof so you can see that you actually can earn and that you can get paid, and then you can decide if it actually is worth your time or not. And you can see right now I have almost 6,000 points in my account up here. And the payout threshold will depend on your reward, the reward you choose, but you can just choose here to withdraw. So as you can see, there are quite a few different reward methods here. And also, as the name suggests, freeskins.com, yes, you can get skins, for example, for Counter-Strike here. There are a lot of different options here. And then there are also other payout thresholds, for example, PayPal. You can withdraw once you've earned $5, which is 5,000 points. That also means the conversion ratio is quite easy. So if you take an offer that gives you 300 points, that will then be the equivalent of 30 cents, or 1,000 points equals $1. So it is a fairly low payout threshold even for PayPal here. Some of the other payout methods have an even lower payout threshold. For example, Bitcoin, if you take it out through Coinbase here, you can see you can take it out already when you've earned 10 coins, which is the equivalent of only 1 cent. However, you need to be aware that you need to earn a minimum of 20 cents through the offer walls to actually be able to take your earnings out, because that is a way for them to verify that people are actually really taking offers there and participating. But it is still a very low payout threshold to take earnings out through Bitcoin. Amazon here, the payout threshold $5, Steam is $6, so it really depends on the payout threshold. But for this payment here, I would like to get paid through PayPal, so I just choose PayPal here. I fill out my PayPal address here, and then I just choose the $5, and you can see the coin price here, and then I press the withdraw button. And you can see that is it. That is how easy it is to withdraw. And it says that it is pending here now. And then it takes a maximum of 12 to 24 hours. But that is the absolute maximum. Actually, in many cases, especially if you have cashed out a few times, you will get paid instantly. And that goes for many of the payout methods. So it is actually one of the fastest paying get paid to sites, because you get your earnings very quickly. But for now, I will just keep recording, and then I will also here on the screen include a PayPal payment proof, and also right here exactly how long it took before I got it, so you can see that the money actually did go into my PayPal account, and you can see that Freeskins actually does pay. So when that is then said, then let's go over how you can earn, so you can see how well it rewards you and if it will be worth your time or not. So once you are inside Freeskins, it is quite easy to get an overview. It is a quite new platform, so the design is also quite modern, and they are actually continuously working on improving it, which is something I really like, that they seem to actually care about improving it. So there are a few different ways you can earn. You can, for example, earn through the offer walls, and if you have tried get paid to sites before, these offer walls might seem familiar to you. You can find a lot of offers here if you just click one of them here. You can see there are different options here. If you log in on your mobile phone, then you can find apps here you can download. You can get coins by downloading it. And just always remember to actually read the conditions, because in this case, for example, you need to install the game and finish level 11, it says, within 7 days, and then you will get your coins. So there are always some conditions. So you just go through that, and you can also find surveys here. But I must say, the surveys, if you want to take surveys, you should not necessarily take them here on the offer walls, because that's not where you get the best rewards. Only if you run out of surveys in the actually survey section, and I will go over that in just a minute. But there are a lot of offers here, and you can see there are quite a few offer walls. There are not as many as some other get paid to sites have, but as I mentioned also, they continuously develop, so they might add more later. But the ones they have, you can see just one of them there. There are a lot of different offers there, so you will not run out of things to do immediately. Of course, exactly which offers are available on the offer walls will depend on the country you live in. And in the offer wall section, one thing you also need to be aware of here is Freeskins. They have something like their own offer wall. There are not a lot of offers here, but it is easy money. You can, for example, claim 10 coins, and when you keep claiming here, you will get more and more free coins every day. So that is definitely something that you should do, because it only takes a few seconds. You can claim 50 coins just by following them on Twitter, and you can also get a bonus code. They give out bonus codes once in a while, and I will also a little bit later show you how you can get a joining bonus, so you can get free coins, 100 free coins right away, but I will get to that a little bit later. But if definitely check out this Freeskins rewards, because they are usually quite easy small tasks that you can do to get some extra coins. So the next way you can earn is by taking surveys, and they have surveys here through your service, revenue wall, or theorem reads. So there are quite a few different ways you can take surveys here, and these are survey routers. So you will be taken to another site where you will complete the survey, and then you will get the rewards into your account here. But you can also find surveys. If you scroll to the top, they have something here called featured offers. And this is something I actually haven't seen on any other get paid to site, because this section is based on the highest paying offers taken by other Freeskins members in your country at this very moment. So in your country, when you log in, it will probably look different than this, but at this moment, these are the ones that they recommend for me in my location. And you can see there are also these your service, and here some of them you can get quite high rewards for service, and even the your service here you get 80 cents per survey, which is actually quite a good reward, and that also makes them one of the highest paying get paid to sites for this specific types of surveys. There are other sites that pay the same, but there are also a lot that pay less. So it is definitely among the highest payings for these surveys. And these surveys are also, in my opinion or experience, the best ones to take. You can, of course, take the other ones here, and how good they are, that really depends on your profile and your country. So you basically just have to test it out and see which ones you qualify for. As on all other get paid to sites, paid service sites, you will not qualify for all the surveys. That is just how it is. So sometimes it takes a little bit of patience, but with that patience, you can find plenty of surveys here, and it is a great way to earn here. At the top here, you can see there's something called leaders, and this is another way to earn just by actually doing what you're already doing, because they have a daily top 3 and a monthly top 3. And if you end up in that top 3 there, you actually can get some really nice rewards. You can see for the first place every day, and there's a counter here that tells you when it ends, then you will get 10,000 coins, 6.5 for the second and 3.5 for the third place. That means if you become the top earner of the day, you will get an extra $10 just by doing that. And that is, of course, in addition to what you already earned. So you can see here right now, just today, this top earner here earned more than 30,000 coins. So that also gives you an indication of how much you can earn if you are really active. You have to be quite active, of course, to earn this much here. And it also depends on your country if it is possible or not, because in some countries there are just more offers and the offers pay more. That is just how it is. But if you end up here, it's some really nice extra cash you can get. And you can also see the monthly price here. If you end up in the monthly top 3 here, then you can actually earn up to $100 for finishing in the first place there $65 for the second, and $35 for the third place. So if you are really active anyways, then it can be worth keeping an eye on this list here and see how close you are to ending in the top 3, because then it definitely is worth making a little bit of an extra effort to make it into the top 3 and get some really nice extra cash. And you can see it's actually not only the top 3, that's just what's shown here, but if you scroll down here further, you can see you get actually something, even if you finish in the 15th place for the daily one, it's 100 coins. And if I jump over here to the monthly and scroll down, you can see you get 1,000 coins, which is the equivalent of $1 for 15th place in the month. But the first place will give you $100, so that is definitely what you should go for. But there are also other really great rewards, as you can see. You can also earn by inviting other people to join Freeskins, and this is by using the referral program. You find that by going over here and clicking this little arrow, if you can see that up here, and then clicking affiliates, and then you get a link that you can share with others. If they join through that link, you can earn a commission for everything they earn. They will earn the same, so it will not affect them, but it is a way for Freeskins to thank you for inviting others. And when you share a link like that, you can actually give 100 free coins to whoever joined through your link. And because I'm a member already, I also have such a code there. So if you're not a member yet and you want to join, then you can join through my invitation link and get 100 free coins. And I have that joining link on my website, so I will leave a link below this video here. So if you just click there, you go to my website, and then the top there will be a joining button, and then you just click that and you will go to Freeskins and sign up, and then you will get that 100 coins into your account right away. So if you're not a member yet, that is a great way to get some free coins from the start. One more thing I just want to go over that is a little bit special about Freeskins is their support, because they actually have a live chat over here in the side, and it is 24/7 that they are there. So if you ever need any help, you can chat with them here, they support, or you can just chat with other members here. And this is quite unique that they actually have a live chat support, because I've seen that on other sites where they try to make it look like it's live support, but it's actually just a robot that answers you, or you have to fill out a contact form. Some sites definitely have fast support anyways. And I always think that is an important thing, that you can get help if you need it. And I really like that they have this support option here if you need to get in contact with them. So that's definitely also a big plus in my opinion. So overall, I think freeskins.com is definitely an interesting get paid to site. It is fairly new, and what I really like is that it has a modern design. It's easy to use and to navigate on, and the team behind it seems to be working really hard on keeping developing it, and that is definitely something I appreciate. And also that you can actually get in contact with their support easily, because some sites could definitely learn a lot from that. In addition to that, it just gives a lot of different earning opportunities, and it has some really great reward methods. And the reward methods is one of the really big pluses of freeskins.com in my opinion. They have very low payout threshold. For example, if you want to get paid via Bitcoin, you only have to earn 1 cent to get paid. That is the lowest payout threshold for Bitcoin I have seen on any platform. And for PayPal, it is just $5, and for Amazon gift cards also just $5. So overall, very low payout threshold, so it is easy to reach the payout threshold. And as I also showed you earlier in this video, they actually do pay, and they pay you quite fast. And if you're a gamer, if you like free skins, for example, for Counter-Strike, then it definitely has some really good options for that. And overall, if you're interested in testing out a new get paid to site, then I definitely think Freeskins is worth checking out. I have enjoyed using it so far, and I also hope that this review and tutorial has helped you figure out if it is the right option for you or not. And remember, if you decide you want to test it out, then you can get a free joining bonus if you join through my invitation link, and I will leave a link to that below this video here, and that will take you to my full review where you can also read even more, and there is a joining link, and then you will get these free coins into your account right away. And if you have already tried Freeskins, I would love to hear about your experiences in a comment below this video here. And if this video has helped you, then like the video, and also remember to subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit the notification bell so you won't miss out next time I release a video with tips and tricks about how to get the most out of get paid to sites, paid service sites, and other free ways to earn some extra cash on the site online.